Hey, what's going on guys? Oscar Mini here, and in today's video we're going to be having a review of a royalty-free music licensing platform known as HookSound. Now, these guys did reach out to me and they are sponsoring this video, but that does not in any way skew my thoughts on the platform, as everything I say here would be my personal opinion on HookSound. Now that's out of the way, without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. So I've used a whole lot of music licensing platforms in the past year, trying to figure out what actually does work for me, and HookSounds happens to be one of the so many that I've tested lately. Though not without its flaws and things I've mentioned in this video, HookSound actually has some reasons and pros why you might want to check them out. Let's head into the dashboard here. Let's get to talk about the interface in a bit. You can easily browse for the sounds on the platform using either the music or artist category, or do I call this sections on the platform. And other things you see here on the homepage would be the card or grid layout here for each sound. Below that is a navigation or the pagination section. To the right of this arrangement, you get to see a place to filter your songs by either the categories, by the beat per minute or BPM as people call it, or length of the songs. So you have different options of sorting through the songs on this platform. Now, I know a lot of people might prefer this card kind of grid type of thing happening here, but personally, I think giving us an option to scrub through the song and also seeing the waveform of the songs is something that I really appreciate on a platform like this. So give me an option to choose between grid and the list layouts is something that will be appreciated on this platform. Now, also having to play the songs from here and without having to see the waveform is something I don't really like, but you can also click on the songs and click on details to see more on the song, and you can scrub through the music timeline here. So aside this only con I see on this platform, the quality of sounds you get from here are top notch, just like other platforms you see on the web. And from my test and use so far of HookSounds, I noticed we had over 2,000 tracks, and everyday new sounds have been added on the platform here. Downloading songs on the platform is actually straightforward. You just have to click on download here or open the page for the particular song you want to download and click on the download from the bottom of the page here. Click on download, and while you download this song, you get to see the WAV file, the MP3 file, and a couple of stems all in a folder while you download. So one thing I would have really loved about the download here would be giving us an option to select between MP3 or the WAV file we want to download, instead of giving us everything, packing everything in a zip file for us. So that's just my thoughts on the downloads from here. But otherwise, this is a great platform to check out and use. And let's talk about the pricing on this platform, or on HookSound actually. When it comes to the several plans you get from HookSound, so the good thing here is that you have a free plan that lets you use the songs, and that's before you get to pay for a pro plan or something else. And this free plan lets you use the song as long as you give attribution to HookSounds in your video or in your comments, in your description box of your video on YouTube. So the next plan you get to see here is a pro plan, which goes for $29 monthly, but you have to pay an annual fee of 29 times 12, whatever that gives you. You have to pay annually for this plan. And you also get lifetime licenses to the songs, and you can use them in other projects. And that's one good thing I really love about HookSounds also. You also have a $49 plan, which features all the aspects of the previously mentioned ones and gives you the right to use the sounds in documentaries, podcasts, and in softwares. More so, the sound you're hearing in this video is also gotten from HookSounds, and you can tell it has high quality and pretty much good songs on this platform. And that's been it for my review on HookSound. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Other than that, it's goodbye, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Koidate.